Okay, Assalamualaikum tuan-tuan dan puan. Hari ni kita nak tengok insya-Allah rumah baru, mencari rumah baru. Ni dekat area mana, Berich Dekat area Berich. Okay, kita nak tengok rumah. Sekarang itulah. Tapi tingkat 3 lah. Penat pancit. Panjat. Dah tak ada lift. Tak ada. Yang ni dia nak 2,200. Tapi dari segi saiz dia tak adalah besar sangat. Tapi itulah. Okay, kita nak tengok rumah kat New York 2,200. Kalau kali dengan 5 dekat 10,000 punya sewa RM10,000 sebulan. Tapi tingkat 3. Atas lagi. Pancit weh. Sorry lah korang kena tengok. Panjat tangga. 2,200. So when is this available?
Yeah, it's available now. Yeah.
Okay, you have like. Wow, it's huge.
You know, it's good. It's good size.
So what kind of deposit you require?
Huh?
What kind of deposit you require?
They want 1 month security.
Yeah.
And then when you move in first month and 1 month broker fee.
Okay.
So it's always 3 months. Yeah.
3 months, yeah.
2 bedroom. Yeah. One
This-
2 bedroom, living room, bathroom, kitchen. 2,200.
So basically this is. What's the nearest train station? Okay, this is it. Rumah baru yang kita nak duduk.
You
Ni.
got closets in every room, and you got a closet here.
What's the nearest station around here?
Nearest station's down the block. Our train.
Our train. Okay, yeah.
77th Street
Okay.
and 4th Avenue. It's literally down the block.
Do you know the size of this unit by any chance, by square feet?
It's a little bit over 800.
800, yeah.
800, maybe 820, 830.
Okay.
It's a nice size unit. It's very clean. It's been freshly painted. Heat and hot water's included. You can put a table, kind of set up here. They kind of set up. This is the living space, and you have 2 bedrooms. And then the other bedroom's small, but it's decent.
And nobody's staying downstairs at the moment, right?
Yeah, nobody's. Well, the good thing is that nobody's above you, so you don't have to worry about people running and doing laps.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's a corner unit, so if you realize it, you only have 1 apartment next to you.
Yeah.
So everybody's wide open. It's just
That's cool.
courtyard, So you're on the corner. You have windows in every room. You got windows in the bathroom. You have windows in the kitchen. So it's nice to be on the corner side.
Right.
It's like a little bit over 800 square feet. 30, maybe 40. This is a good size room.
Okay.
And it's a very quiet residential block. You can see the back. It faces, I believe that's 77th Street.
Is there any hospitals around here?
Hospitals, yeah, close to 7th. You have NYU.
Yeah. Reason I'm asking, I'm like the place that we are staying now is near hospital.
Oh, yeah.
So we have all the ambulance like.
Oh no,
bringing
you
them.
have nothing like that over here.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, it's very quiet actually because it's a little bit in the middle, and then you're far from 4th Avenue. If you were closer to 4th Avenue, it's a little bit more busy.
Okay, jangan lupa like dan subscribe YouTube channel saya. Ini je lah saja.
So it stays pretty much the same.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Because it's like a 24 family.